Good afternoon. We're going to make some what is it called?
I think it's Dalgona.
Dalgona coffee. You got to start by heating up some water. Over here, there's people in the way. The little people sometimes they get in the way, you know. This is water. This is cold water. But you know what the problem is? We can't have cold water. We got to have hot water. So what do we do about that? A question. A quiz. What kind of water? We heat it up in the microwave. Now, while that's warming up, we can go over here and we serve coffee. So starting the coffee. Okay. We need to use instant coffee. Instant coffee. Okay. There we go. Instant coffee. And this glass, I just rinsed it. I used this before. I've had a coffee already today. So here. We're getting there. Now we put a little bit of sweetener, monk fruit, not monkey fruit, monk fruit. Okay, there we go. Ooh, good stuff. All right, now next, there's mixer. Mixer right here. Okay. Now we're waiting for the water to heat up. We're waiting. 30 seconds. Watch pot never boils. Coffee in the microwave never warms up. Oh heck with this. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? Now, tablespoon of water. Here we go, now for the magic. See? It's real thin. Now, stir it up. Ooh, yeah. It's getting foamy. We're gonna do the Dairy Queen test pretty soon. DQ. Can't you just smell it? Taste it. Ooh. I think I've had one of these today already. Maybe one. Maybe more. How you doing? You know what the Dairy Queen test is, Eva? My daughter used to work at Dairy Queen. And one of the requirements is when they made a blizzard, they'd have to turn the blizzard upside down with a spoon in it to show people how thick it was. So with our Delgado coffee, we do the same thing. Take it and turn it upside down. It doesn't spill out. Isn't that amazing? Time for the coconut. The secret. What it is. Approximately a cup. You can scoop it out like this. Or give it a stir. It's really good.